I want to share with you about a program that has introduced me to the Forex market. Hi, my name is Anthony Mitchell. I'm happily married, father of 3. I myself were in a similar position where I wanted more for my life. I've tried several programs in the past with little to no success, but I had to realize it really was my mindset. Reaching success is a series of attempts. You literally must fail your way to success. And the more that I learn, the more I begin to earn. Which brings me to the good news. Are you prepared to change your mindset? Are you prepared to absorb the correct information that will allow you to understand the Forex market and to gain independent financial freedom? It will take work. It will require patience. You will have to be consistent with your training. But the information is accurate, the skills are precise, and the results are proven. We have over 3,000 members from all around the world that are dedicated to reaching our goal. So please, join the team.